In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to build a glowing neon Cyberpunk login and sign-up page, fully animated, interactive, and reactive to your cursor, using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You won't believe how cool this looks. Start by creating a project folder. Inside, add HTML, CSS, and JS files. Link your CSS and JS files in your HTML so everything works together. Small setup now saves you headaches later. Next, we'll build the forms. Start with the login form, username, password, and login button. Then the sign-up form, username, email, password, and a sign-up button. Add toggle buttons to switch between login and sign-up forms. Now comes the fun part, glowing neon effects. Add neon borders, text shadows, and pulsing animations for inputs and buttons. For the background, we'll create a smoothly changing gradient using keyframes gradient. Hover and focus effects make the page feel alive. Even small tweaks make a big difference. Let's bring the page to life. First, we'll animate the cursor so it follows the mouse and glows. Then, we'll make it react when hovering over inputs and buttons. Finally, we'll add JS to toggle between login and sign-up forms with smooth fade-in and fade-out animations. Here's the full result: login and sign-up forms, glowing neon inputs, pulsing buttons, animated background gradient, and an interactive cursor that reacts to you. Drop your neon login page in the comments. I want to see your versions. Please hit like, subscribe for more web dev tutorials.